my lovely kids, I want to ask a question from you both, and the one who will answer this question will get a candy.
Yay!
My question is very easy. That who is the founder of Pakistan? Wow! It's amazing that you both know the answer. But Bubbly will answer first.
Grandmother, my teacher told us the founder of Pakistan is Quaid-e-Azam.
Very good, Bubbly. And his full name was Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Grandma, can you tell us more about him?
Why not, my love? Now listen to me attentively. As said, impossible is the word that exists in the dictionary of fools. You know, there are people in this world who made impossible into possible through their hard work, determination, honesty, passion, and with their spirit to never give up. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, father of the nation, was such a man.
Wow! Grandmother, I want to know more about him.
Muhammad Ali Jinnah was very hardworking since his childhood, and he used to study day and night.
Wow, studying day for night, superb!
Yes, my little boy. One night his aunt came to him and said, Ali, you will make yourself ill from so much study. And he replied, Aunt, you know, I can't achieve anything in this life unless I work hard.
A great message for us.
Kids, do you know that he went to England for higher education? And after completing his education, he came back to the subcontinent. He was a great leader of the Muslims of the subcontinent. He worked on the two-nation theory and struggled to get a separate homeland for the Muslims. He faced a bitter opposition from both the Hindus and the Muslims. However, due to the determination, honesty, belief, and sheer hard work, he was successful in achieving his mission, and for this, the nation gave him a title, Quaid-e-Azam, and meaning greatest leader.
Grandma, our teacher told us that Quaid-e-Azam said, work, work, and work.
I like Quaid-e-Azam so much, and I will try to do work hard with honesty so I can be successful as our leader.
Me too. I will also work hard.
Haha, very good, my children. And you have to be determined on it. God bless you both.
Thank you.